Okay, the lockpick is installed and we're leaving the house. Alright. Okay, coming down to the first intersection. Making a turn. Going out to North Tarrant. Seems to be off about 20 feet already. Okay. Matter of fact, it's about 100 feet short now already of North Tarrant. So I'm going to turn on North Tarrant, and it shows me going across a field. Oop, okay, the GPS just apparently relocated the vehicle. So now we're traveling down North Tarrant. That's good. Alright. We'll go up here. There's a road on our left. I think it's called Shady Oaks. I can't remember. Let's see if the nav's off. Okay, the left turn is right here. Okay, so we're off. Already a bunch of feet. Alright, now I'm going to come up to Smithfield Road, the road we turned on earlier. I'm about 300 feet off now. I'm at the intersection. So I will make a turn here shortly, as soon as I get a green light. But as you can see, the nav is 300 feet at least off. I believe you have no wheel speed sensor or vehicle speed sensor input to the nav, and I think that's the problem. You guys are simulating something, or I don't know what you're doing, but it's not working. This is the second Gen 5 Lockpick I've received from you, and it does the same thing. Alright, got a light. So I'm going to turn on Smithfield Road. And if I was using the nav to get to somewhere, I'd have passed the road a long time ago before the nav would ever told me to turn. So I'm going down Smithfield Road. It realigned itself because I was out in the field. But there's a right turn coming up. And the right turn's now. And of course, by the time the nav would have told me, I'm way past it. Okay, I'm coming up to Shady Grove Road. And we will take a left turn on it. And again, if I was using the nav, I wouldn't have got there. I'm going to go over to Sarah Brooks and take a left, but of course it shows me going across a field right now. Coming up to the stop sign. Alright, matter of fact, I think what I'm going to do is select home and see how it sends me home. Alright, so I'm going to take a left.
Please proceed to the highlighted route. Then the route guidance will start. Proceed about 1/4 mile.
These are neighborhood roads with speed bumps, so I'm not traveling
After 1/4 mile, turn right.
the speed I would normally be traveling like on a regular road. As I said before, you've passed the you've passed 1 or 2 turns before the nav tells you to turn on the street that you've already passed a couple turns prior. This is not too far off here. Of course, I haven't driven very far.
Proceed about 6/10 of a mile. After 1/4 mile, turn left.
Okay. If I keep going, I'll pass my turn. So I'm going to go ahead and turn at the turn, even though the nav has not told me to turn. Now I'm heading across some field in the neighborhood. And now I'm at my house. Of course, my house is about 300 feet away.
You have arrived at your destination. Your route guidance is now finished.
And if you notice the map, it's I'm at the first intersection I turned on about 300 feet ago, 100 yards ago. So I'm not even at my house. So that's the story.